Pawan Kalyan, once a box office king, has now proved his mettle in the world of politics too. 5 years after he lost both the assembly seats he contested, the Jan Sena chief has not just made it to the Andhra Pradesh assembly, but he is now the deputy chief minister of the state. On Wednesday afternoon, in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, CM Chandrababu Naidu and his family, including his wife Anna, brother Chiranjeevi, nephew Ram Charan and megastar Rajnikant, Pawan Kalyan took oath as the new deputy CM. Now, we've been speaking at length about his film and political career since he clinched his big victory, how he's receiving love and support from everywhere. So today, we thought, why not talk about his biggest support system, his wife Anna. In fact, Kalyan's homecoming moment, which saw Anna welcoming her husband with aarti, had gone viral all over the internet. Anna and Pawan met while shooting for their 2011 film Teen Maar. Soon they fell in love and dated for 2 years before getting married on September 30, 2013. Anna is Pawan Kalyan's third wife. Anna and Pawan became parents to a baby boy in 2017. She was already a mother to daughter Paulina from her first marriage. The actor's second marriage was with his longtime live-in girlfriend Renu Desai. They had met on the sets of Badri in 2000, after which they decided to live in. They got married in 2009 after Pawan finalized his divorce from his first wife. Renu and Pawan have 2 children together. They got divorced in 2012. As for his first marriage, Pawan and Nandini were set up by family. A year after his debut in Tollywood film industry in 1996, Pawan Kalyan tied the knot with 19-year-old Nandini in 1997. Little is known about Nandini and her background. However, we do know that she filed a case against him in 2007, accusing him of bigamy. Their divorce was settled in 2008 after the actor paid Nandini an alimony of rupees 5 crore as a one-time settlement. The rest, well, we've told you already. Do share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Shosha for more such content.